Hi guys! Salana on me, we're going for a walk. Actually, we are going to my cousin, to Kuya si Trey. Alana?
Yeah.
And it's raining, Bertie lang I'll give you the umbrella. So, supposed to be my plan is, I'm going for a walk. Pero gaulan man siya. So, magdili siya tsada para sa kuan. Okay, here lang ga. So, let's go na guys. So, let's go na guys. So, Lana and I. It's raining. Say hi. I help you, babe. I hold your what? I hold your
I think so.
Marshall. I hold the Marshall. Come. Then you hold the umbrella hook. More up. Hold here lang go. Here. Oh. Here. Here. Come, let's go, baby. So, akong gitry ang ako ang gimbal. Let's see. Nagtoon pa ko, guys. So, supposed to be, while Alana is sleeping, so we wake her up. And then we asked her if she want to come with Papa to go to CJ, but she's so sleepy. So she said she don't want, she just want to sleep. So now my cousin Maricel sent me a video of my husband. And then Alana saw it. So she decided to go. So now we go and we walk. Sabaan ni mo dayo eh. So guys, bear with me with my grammar. Kaya na ay nag-request na kung pwede ba daw mag-English ako para maintindihan po ako. So, one of my subscriber ang nag-request sa akin. So, pagpasensyanan na po yung English grammar ko ha. Huwag niyo po akong ipatulpo. Baka kasi matulpo ako. Baka kasi matulpo ako sa English ko. Come, you walk lang. I'm just here. Okay, ma. So, maybe the next day, maglalakad ako dito pag, if it's not raining. So, I wanna show you guys our village, Grossline. Kasi ngayon, umuulan kasi. It's supposed to be, they said it's going to snow today and tomorrow. But luckily, it's not snowing. It's just raining. So hopefully, hopefully, hindi siya magsusnow. Because I'm going to work tomorrow early in the morning. My work starts at 3:30 a.m. So, it's so difficult to drive in the snow. Especially when it's too early. Nobody will clean the snow or ano ba yun, yung palahin yung snow. So I hope so guys. Hi madam. Hi, my baby. Shooting the object pa yan. So, nagtatry ako kung paano ba siya, yung camera is mag-face sa akin. Hindi ko siya ano ko ba? Pa-practice pa po kasi ako. Okay. Guys, so iwan ko pag ko siya, gusto ko ipaharap sa akin yung camera is it's showing na wait until the shooting is complete. So Inano ko muna siya, and hello! Sinan ko muna siya. So ito na. So I think it's yung kasi ng asawa ko, naglalakad din sila. Go for a round walk. So here's my daughter. She's concentrating, holding her umbrella. Hi. Hi. Say hello. Here's the camera. Hi. So when I told her that I'm going to make a vlog, then when I install my phone in my gimbal, then when I turn it on, she said, wow, she was so amazed. when I unbox also my gimbal, when she saw it and I show her how it works, she really said, oh mama, I really like it. It's like, it's like, wow, I have a future blogger in the future. so I'm one time she hold my gimbal and she's like, she's making a vlog, and she said, hi guys. I'm just laughing. I said, wow, Alana, hopefully maybe when you grow up then you'll become a vlogger. So nagpa-practice na po siya. So we're almost done. We're almost here in my cousin. We are here na sa bahay ng cousin ko. So bye. See you next time sa walking namin ni Alana. Walking under the rain. So parang yung title lang ng vlog ko ngayon is walking under the rain. So ito na lang po yung naiwan na snow. So bye bye guys. Happy weekend. Thank you for watching. Bye.